Dear friends, in this rainforest speech, we'll talk a little about how life is essentially a simulation and that it's truly possible to free yourself from any limiting programs. It's important to understand that the life we live is the result of certain programs operating within us. The way our life looks, the state of our body, the way we live, all of it is the result of how information works inside us. If we change the informational composition within ourselves, if we transform the energetic and informational patterns inside us, our life changes profoundly as well. Imagine that you are fully immersed in a virtual reality game. You have the headset on and what you see feels completely real, so real that you identify with it entirely. In this game, you have a character, your avatar. This avatar has features and conditions that are controlled by programs, just like a character in a VR game. If your avatar is sick or limited in some way, it's because a specific program is running. The fact that the avatar is sick is defined by its program. If you delete or disable that program, it stops affecting the avatar, and suddenly your character is healthy. You can now continue the game with a fully functional, healthy avatar with all restrictions removed. In this game, it's exactly the same. Any program influencing your avatar, like fear, scarcity, or limitation, can be changed, removed, or replaced. For example, by installing the program of abundance. You don't have to use the same avatar you have now.